Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back with me Fatur, and today we will gonna review the tofu. Now, what is tofu? Tofu is food that is made from the sedimentary extract of soybean seeds which is experiencing coagulation. Tofu comes from China. It's that soy sauce, taucho, bak pao, and meatballs. The name tofu is an absorption from Hokkien tauhu, which literally means fermented soybean. Tofu has been known in China since the Han Dynasty around 2200 years ago. The inventor was Liu An, who was a nobleman, grandson of Emperor Han Gozu. Liu Bang, who founded the Han Dynasty. In front of us there is tofu. Tofu in front of us now is tofu pong. Tofu pong is the difference after frying the middle of the hollow or empty. This tofu is actually ordinary tofu, like other tofu that we know. The difference is that the process of making tofu uses acetic acid or vinegar as clothing material. Okay, now we immediately review the tofu pong that is in front of us. We try to eat one tofu pong. The outside is tasty and the inside is empty. Like this is suitable to nose the content or made it into tofu sauce. And for the warmth, the vitamins contained in tofu are very good. Tofu includes foods that are low in calories, fat, and carbohydrates. In 100 grams of tofu, there are only about 70 calories, 2 grams of carbohydrate, and 4 grams of fat. Tofu contains many nutrients, including protein, including essential amino acids, as well as various vitamins and minerals such as manganese, calcium, selenium, phosphorus, magnesium, iron, zinc, and copper. That is why, too bad if you do not like tofu and waste the benefits of tofu for the health of the body.